Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a returning little yarn gremlin, welcome back. I'm happy to have you. I hope you will subscribe. So today we have a yarn review, and this is of Premier Spice Shop. So I'm going to read to you a little bit about this yarn while you look at this beautiful swatch. So this is from Premier. This is a super bulky 6. It's 109 yards, 100 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 80% acrylic, 20% nylon, and super bulky 6, like I said. It says for knitting needles to use a 6.5 millimeter, and for crochet hook use 8 millimeter. So I have worked up this swatch with an 8 millimeter. This is a NELSONWOOD hook. I will leave that information below. This is actually a glow in the dark, and if you will look on the website, there is a glow in the dark hook called Thryss's Spirit, I think is called what it's called. Thryss is something. I have a hook named after me, y'all. So would love for that support. It's not an affiliation or anything like that. Okay, so if you guys know your girl here, you know I'm a rainbow queen. All right, let's just look rainbow, like I love rainbow. Rainbow. But I have a dark side, and I have really been getting into browns and grays, especially mixed together. Gray is my favorite color, probably. I mean, if rainbow can't be my favorite color, gray is. But something about browns and grays mixed together has just been tickling my fancy. I'm really liking it. So I looked at all the colorways and thought, you know what, I'm going to go with this. I think this is really cool. So this colorway is called Turmeric. Alright, so I have done a long swatch and a short swatch so that we could see how the colors work up, and they work up the same. It pulls the same pretty much. So there's that. Okay, so both swatches are just double crochets. The short swatch is 20 stitches by 10 rows, which is 11 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall. Now, usually I do that if the color works up differently based on the length of the swatch, but for continuity's sake, I'm going ahead and doing it even though they came out exactly the same. So for the big one is 50 stitches, and it is 6 rows, which is 4 inches by 29.5 inches wide. So I think this is a great yarn. It feels perfectly fine. I think it feels a little bit nicer. Oops. It feels a little bit nicer than Red Heart Super Saver, or, you know, a value acrylic like that. Premier has a really lovely acrylic base. Even their basic one is really, really nice. So Premier does acrylic well. They do it really well. So it feels great. It feels really nice next to your skin. So the swatch on top right here is the one that, oh no, I'm sorry. The swatch on bottom is the one that has been washed. So as you can see, it has fuzzed and fluffed out a lot more. But that's typical of acrylic. So, I did not notice any shrinkage. I did measure before and after, and it stayed the same size. So that's awesome. That doesn't always happen. So I think this yarn is great. I think this would make a beautiful hat and scarf set. I think it would make a beautiful blanket. Mix it with some solid maybe. Would be pretty. I think, I mean, world's your oyster. You could do whatever you wanted with this yarn. I think it would be great as a wearable. If you like the pattern, you know, for a wearable, I think it's really pretty. So I am going to insert a video clip of me on Premier's website showing you all of the other colorways that they have to offer. I do believe there are quite a few, but let me know if you've tried this yarn. And question, is this like a thicker weight of their coffee shop yarn? I've always wanted to try that one, but I haven't. So I'm curious if you've used both, or if you've used Coffee Shop and recognize this to look maybe not the same colorway, but just a thicker, you know, and similar. Let me know. So that clip is here to follow. So we're on Premier's website, and here is Spice Shop. So we're going to look at the colorways. So the very first one is color number 1, Salt and Pepper. So just black, white, shades of gray. And then we have color number 2, Cayenne. So red, blue, teal, brown, tan, black, white. Then we have color number 3, Juniper Berry. Just all different shades of blue. And then it looks like some gray, black, and white as well. That's pretty. And then color number 4 is lavender. So purple and orange, teal. Oh, what is the color I'm trying to think of? Like an eggplant, blue. You can probably hear my puppy breathing in the background. Color number 5, saffron. This isn't really what I think of when I think saffron. But pink and a dark teal. Looks like a darkish blurple, bluish purple. And then a yellow saffroning color. Curry is color number 6, and we've got some browns, orange, teal, yellow, and then let's see, that looks like a darker purple, a darker purpley blue. I like how they show a crochet swatch and then a knit swatch, because it really does look very different. I think that's very cool. And we have color number 7, cilantro. And it is a dark army green, a teal, mint green, and then a like chartreuse pea green. Color number 8, turmeric, which I believe is the color that I have. Is that the color I have? Yes. So this is the color that we have. So, you know, browns, orange, black, white, gray, brown. So this is what the swatch looks like knitted up. Color number 9 is bay leaf. So a super, super dark forest green. That is a beautiful green. And then like a sage green, orange, gray. And then color number 10, sweet pepper. So we've got some red. We've got some orangey red. We've got that yellow, a brighter chartreuse green, gray, white. So I hope that helps. Back to Premier's site to see if the coffee shop yarn is just a lightweight version of the Spice Shop. And wouldn't you know, it's been discontinued. Isn't that the way it always works out? You wait around thinking that it'll be around for a while. And it was around for a good long while. I waited too long. So, oh well. But for those of you who have tried both, let me know if Spice Shop is just a thicker version of the coffee shop, because I'm super curious. But I will see you guys on the YouTube streets. I hope you guys have a good one and stay safe out there.